You can push one.
They're gonna say, "Why didn't you wait for me?"
Whoa, we gotta help this one out.
Where's it going?
It's right there.
Oh,
no.
It is coming back. Are you trying to get
No,
over
try
there?
to actually might win.
It is.
Just shoot it to the floor again. Not completely.
Well, no what?
The goal was to land right there.
I can't even get it on camera.
White that's coming back.
Tissue. Flame-resistant tissue.
It's a block.
It's gonna blow it. Is that helping you?
That was a good one.
Good timing.
That was a good one. Did Brian see it? That was really good.
I can't videotape worth anything. I can't track it. I can't follow it.
It's too bright. It's
It's too bright. It's too small. I don't know to zoom in or zoom out.
Focus, and I don't know how you can focus that.
Can't find it.
I
Yeah.
don't know how in golf how that camera can follow the ball.
I know. I know. They must be cheating with some sort of motion sensor.
Yeah, right. You just missed it because you guys were. We just did one because you guys went.
You guys have to be a little patient and stay and
you
wait.
guys all took off and you guys want to play playground.
So that one didn't open, huh?
They had to like find it. Like they went on top of the building and they found it. They made it out of those like 2-liter bottles.
Did it open? Did it open? It's a pretty high launch. Fun. They made it. Yeah, it launched. All right, it opened up. No more melting. Good call on launching it that way. We lit it again. You guys all walked away.
Yeah,
It was a really good one.
we were waiting.
Yeah, I know. You have to wait a little longer.
Wait a little longer.